Hello guys, welcome to my channel D365 Snippets. In our channel, we mostly try to cover the topics from ERP, Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations Technical and Functional, then Power BI and Excel related topics we are covering through our channel. So in this video, we will discuss what is an ERP. Basically, ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. As we know, many companies they have different business processes based on the activity of that business, like finance processes, HRMS processes, procurement process. A lot of activities are happening inside the company. So what an ERP do here? In an organization, an ERP integrate all these business processes and help the company to make better decision making and operation and make the operations to run smoothly and collaboratively. This is basic thing about what is an ERP. So why a company choose ERP? What is the benefits of using ERP? Mainly, I discuss three basic benefits of ERP. There are a lot of benefits are there. Here I explain only three of them. Okay, so ERP is single database system. We know that before introducing ERP, for handling the different processes of a business, they are using different softwares like Tally for Finance, many different HRMS softwares for handling their HRMS processes. So after introducing this ERP concept, it comes to a single database system. So what's the benefit of single database system? Before introducing ERP, they use different softwares. So generating reports from these softwares, generating some consolidation reports from these different softwares are a little difficult because they have to download the reports from different softwares, they have to integrate all together, they have to do some manual works on that. But after introducing ERP, we use single database system, so it is easy to handle the system and easy for generating consolidated reports because all the departments, all the modules are integrated in ERP. So generating consolidated reports by connecting all these processes are easy with the help of ERP. So what is the second benefit of ERP? ERP provide an integrated environment. As we know, in a company, different departments are communicating each other physically. For example, when we generate a sales invoice, it hit on the finance department because they are generating the sales invoice. So the invoice booking is happening in the finance module. Same like if you are doing some pay processes or something, some booking some pay process, in that time also it hit on the finance module. So all the departments are communicating each other physically. The same thing is happening in ERP. All these departments like sales, inventory, human, all these are called as modules. So in ERP, these modules are communicating each other. Same like the departments that are communicating physically. So that is actually an integrated environment. Also, in ERP, if you are creating a customer master, which will be accessible for various modules. Suppose we have to create a sales order in project module, we can use the same customer. Same like if you want to create a sales order in production module, the same customer will be also accessible to the production module also. In trading also, in sales and marketing, if you want to make a quotation, this customer will be also available here. So an ERP provide an integrated environment which will help to smooth run very fast the company's processes. The third one is ERP is very fast. as we already discussed, ERP is working based on single database system. So generating reports, doing some transactions, creating masters, everything will be very fast because they only deal with a single database. So these are the basic thing about ERP. In the next video, we will move to the Dynamics 365 technical side. So what is Dynamics 365 and what are the development steps, how to develop, how to customize, and everything we will discuss in the next topics. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned.